Hey, welcome to an episode of DIYCarModz. I'm Jeff, and today I'm going to be changing out the cargo light on my 2012 Honda Fit. Here is the product I'm going to be using. I am not going to be just changing out the little bulb inside the housing, but instead I'm going to be replacing the entire assembly with this one that comes with LED board that's inside the assembly right there. So it has 18 LED chips inside, and this will be a direct swap with that assembly right there. Now, in order to remove this housing, all I need to do is go ahead and stick a flat screwdriver on the right side right here, or a plastic pry tool, and this assembly will pop down. And then to disconnect this from the wire harness, there is a single gray tab that I need to push, and the whole assembly will come off. And as you can see in the back, it is a single 194 incandescent bulb that's in here. So I can either go ahead and remove that and install a LED bulb, but I want something bright, and so I'm going to be installing this. As you can see, the assembly is pretty much the same, and so this will be a straight plug and play. Now it's going to go ahead and put the plug back in here. Now, it's going to be a very tight fit. Once it goes in, you just have to push it all the way in, like so. And then go ahead and slide it in and push it up. And there you have it. This is much brighter compared to this right here. Or just swapping out a LED bulb such as this. All right, so here is the stock cargo light. Here is a close-up, and as you can see, it barely lights up the cargo area in the back of the vehicle. And here is the new LED, and there you go, much brighter. Now, one thing to mention is, you see those two pins in there? They have to line up with your plug, and so sometimes, since this is a very tight fit, you just have to make sure those two pins in there is lining up with the two slot opening in your plug. So you just have to take like a small screwdriver and maybe, nudge that up or down a little bit, and so when you plug it plugs in all the way. All right, so I'll have the product link in the description below, so check it out. As always, don't forget to follow me on social media, Facebook and Instagram. And as always, thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.